In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and manage Discord threads. Threads are a great way to keep conversations organized inside busy channels. Instead of letting side discussions take over the main chat, a thread keeps everything neatly tucked under a single message, so people who care can follow along and everyone else can stay focused. To start, make sure you have the permission to create public threads in the server. This is usually granted by a server admin or moderator and allows you to spin a new thread off of an existing message in a channel. If you don't see the option to create a thread, it likely means the server's roles or channel settings don't allow it for you. When you're ready to create a thread, find the message you want to branch off from. Hover over that message on desktop or open its options on mobile and look for the three-dot menu icon. Click or tap that menu, then choose Create Thread. This tells Discord you want to start a focused conversation tied to that specific message, so everyone has the original context right there. You'll be prompted to add a title for your thread. A title is optional, but it's worth using one that clearly summarizes the topic. Think of it like a headline: short, descriptive, and easy to recognize later. Next, type your first message. This opening message sets the tone for the discussion, so be specific about what you're asking or explaining. If you're referencing details from the original post, call them out clearly so anyone who joins later can get up to speed without scrolling around. Once you're happy with your title and message, send it. As soon as you do, the thread is created. It will appear as its own conversation linked to the original message, and you'll be taken into the thread view where replies stay neatly contained. After the thread exists, others can join the discussion. They can open the thread from the channel and chime in with replies without cluttering the main chat. This makes it easier for people to follow just the topics they care about. Keep your replies focused, mention only when needed, and use clear messages so the conversation remains helpful and easy to scan. That's it. Create a thread from a message, add an optional title and your opening note, send it, and let the discussion continue in its own space. With these basics, you'll keep your channels clean, your conversations organized, and your community more engaged.